こんにちは。Welcome to フリフリキッチン。Today, Mumu is going to make tofu and Chinese cabbage ginger soup. This soup is super quick and easy yet deeply comforting. It's all about balance, the silky softness of tofu, the tender Chinese cabbage, and a delicate broth infused with ginger and a gentle white pepper kick. Light yet satisfying, it warms you from the inside out. Perfect for chilly days. Okay, let's get started. Cut 130 grams of Chinese cabbage into bite-sized pieces. Mince a small piece of ginger, about 1 teaspoon. And finely chop 1 spring onion. Place 700 ml of water in a pan and bring it to a boil. Once boiling, turn the heat to medium and add the minced ginger, half a cube of vegetable stock, or if you use a small cube like oxo, use 1 cube. A quarter teaspoon of salt, 2 pinches of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and mix well. Add the Chinese cabbage and cook for 2 to 3 minutes until softened. Gently place 300 grams of silky tofu or soft tofu into the pan. Use a spoon to break it into large bite-sized pieces. This creates uneven rough edges that help the tofu absorb more flavor. Simmer for about 3 minutes until heated through. In the UK, silken tofu is often available in Tetra-packed containers at supermarkets. I've included a link in the description for the silken tofu I used, just in case you want to check it out. For the final touch, add the chopped spring onion and drizzle with 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Ladle the soup into serving bowls. できた! Mumu, how does it taste? Okay, Mumu said, the broth is so delicate, but the flavors are beautifully balanced. The tofu just melts in her mouth, and the ginger and white pepper add just the right amount of kick. This is the kind of soup that makes you feel really cozy. Thank you for watching フリフリキッチン。ありがとう。If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. And see you next time. Bye bye. またね。